Hello folks, you are watching Ezra Ondara TV. My name is Ezra Ondara and welcome to Golden Life Mall. Golden Life Mall is the largest mall in Nakuru City, offering 34,000 square meters of retail and office space. The mall is so beautiful and unique in its design, with 4 full-scale levels of commercial space, including a basement and a slim 8-story office block rising above the center of the building. Construction began in 2018 and the mall was officially opened in 2021. Located just outside the CBD along Nakuru Eldoret Highway, Golden Life Mall is a great destination for someone looking to shop, relax, and find essential services away from the noise and bustle of the city center. Speaking of services, the mall is currently home to medical services, supermarket, eatery, entertainment, clothwear, internet provision, and much more. Precisely, among other businesses, there is Food Plus Supermarket on ground floor, Bloom Hospital on first floor, Aladdin, Optiven, Connect Internet, Top Gas, Origin Cafe, Gigi Rooftop Club, Egerton University Circle, Evergreen Dental Clinic, Nefcare Clinic, Shawarma Hot Dogs, just to mention the ones I know, as of the time of recording. What's more, Golden Life Mall boasts acres of parking space with room for over 400 cars. The executive office block offers spectacular views of the surrounding, and there is one I like visiting on 7th floor to say hi to some friends at Optiville. From here, I see the entire of the city all the way down to Lake Nakuru. For a mall this size with big medical facilities operating herein, there ought to be full-time power supply, and so they have backup generators for whenever there is power outage, ensuring uninterrupted services 24/7. Worth mentioning is that Golden Life Mall have state-of-the-art conference facility, which is free to use for residents and it's equipped with internet. The folks told me they have the fastest lifts around, but I've not compared with others to arrive at that conclusion myself. They were swift anyway. Retail spaces rate at 150 Kenya shillings per square feet, while office space is offered at 100 shillings per square feet, open for negotiation. Now let's experience the food at Origin Cafe. barbecue choma, eat till you drop every Friday. This was one of those. And is it that chefs enjoy doing that blaze thing? Because this guy was having fun with it.
Until you drop. Until. Oh. This? Origin? Folks, I tell you. When it comes to food hunting in Nakuru, Ezra Ondara is still the way, the truth, and the only way. Woo! Let's go.
Also, welcome to GG Rooftop Club, and my goodness, this place is huge, beautifully done, damn, just waiting for you to come and party. And then the rain came down heavily. By then, we were done touring this place. Night fell, we took some pictures and left to the comfort of our beds at home. Subscribe for more from Nakuru and beyond the city. Yours truly, Ezra Ondara.